Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
The brothers of Yusuf alayhi salam said, "And indeed we are ones to protect." And their father said to them, "So Allah is the best protector." They lost Yusuf alayhi salam and Allah protected him. And from this we learn that even in the most seemingly hopeless situations, one should not lose faith in Allah and put his trust in Him as the most merciful and the best protector. The evil plots of Yusuf alayhi salam's brothers did not avail, and Allah took him from the darkness of the well to the throne of Egypt. And the way a pious father implored and begged before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it brought divine mercy into action and miracles happened.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.